Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to trade Memecoin on Pump.fun. So Pump.fun is a Solana-based platform where anyone can create and trade new tokens in real time. One of the advantages of using Pump.fun is that you can spot new projects early enough, right? Get on them before they blow up and become popular, right? Buy them very cheap. But you have to be very careful trading on Pump.fun because not every project, right, is real or long term. Some can be scams or pump and dump. So always do your own research and trade reasonably and responsibly, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. So I'm going to show you real quick how to trade Memecoin on Pump.fun. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find our content helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token, Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. Right, in the description, you will find the contract address of Wiki Cat. Right, so let's dive right into this tutorial, guys. So in this tutorial, as you can see on my screen, we'll be using the Phantom wallet. So first off, we'll launch Phantom and then select the search icon. Then in the search box, type in Pump.fun here. Open. First off, we'll have to log in. We'll log in using our Phantom wallet. Connect. Confirm. Okay, I'm just going to put my username SMC Tutorials. Save. Alright, so we're good, right? So our wallet is successfully connected. So like I said, ensure to do your research before investing in any coin, so that you don't end up losing your money to a scam coin or pump and dump coin. So if you want to trade a meme coin, after you've done your proper research, right, copy the contract address of the meme coin and then paste here and select go to coin. So it shows the coins. You can see some information about the coins, the market cap, the creator of the coin, how long the coin has been, and also the charts, right? So to buy this coin, just select buy. So input the amount of SOL you're going to be using to purchase this coin. So you will need to fund your Phantom wallet with Solana. If you do not have SOL in your wallet, you cannot buy Memecoin on Pump.fun. So ensure that your wallet is funded with SOL. So I'm going to be buying 0.0001 SOL worth of this meme coin, and you can see the amount of the meme coin that I'll be getting for that amount. So once all that is set up, select buy. Okay, confirm. So we have successfully bought this meme coin, right? So if we go over to our wallet, we can find the meme coin in our wallet here. So that's basically how to buy meme coin on Pump.fun, right? If I want to sell this meme coin, right, pretty much easy. Select the meme coin and then select sell, right? Select the amount of the meme coin you want to sell. So for me, I'll be selling all because I'm not interested in the meme coin. And sell now. to have successfully sold the meme coin. So guys, that's basically how to sell and buy your meme coin on Pump.fun. Right, so we have come to the end of the tutorial today. If you have any question concerning this tutorial, please do not hesitate to drop your questions in the comment section. And do not forget, like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on your bell so that you can be notified whenever we drop a tutorial video. Thank you for watching the tutorial video. See you in another tutorial. Bye.